All right, we have here the Triaxe Cruze mobility scooter by Enhanced Mobility. So this is how to unbox it. I mean, this is a really easy one. So cut your straps. Pull your cover off. So now you've got the top off. So you got your tiller here. So you would raise your tiller up. You can lock it right here in front if you want to. Okay. Now it's locked. You take the little plastic, the foam out. The seat is already on here. So I would just take whatever, this is a piece of cardboard, take the charger out here. Okay. And what I would do next is just, since it's already put together in there, is I would, not quite sure if you just want to, okay, I'm not quite sure what's the easiest way. So let's assume we're going to do this. So if you have two people, you can just lift it right out of the box, okay? You can see it right here. I just raised the seat up. So we have it here. This is the Cruze with a larger seat. There's a cover here for your tiller that comes with the scooter. Never seen that before. There's your cover. And you'll also get a basket. In your charging box, there's your charger. And there's your keys right here in the charging box and your cord for the charger. And the key would go right in here in the front. All right, so we got it out of the box. So getting out of the box is a breeze. You also have a cover for your seat right here, which is crooked, okay? So you have a cover for your seat. You have a cover for the front tiller. So when you transport it, you put this on to give it a little more protection to your tiller when you fold it, okay? So this is all to protect your seat and your driving apparatus in front. The keys, as I said, were in here, okay, with the charger, the key. So I'm going to put the key in right here. So right now, there's a power button here on the bottom of the battery pack, a red power button right there. But it's on, and I have the key on, but it's no power. So what you have to remember with this scooter, the battery pack has a cable under the scooter. So I'm learning as you're learning. So to turn the battery power on, you would just, there's a pin right here. As I was trying to do it earlier, I was trying to plug it in here and I couldn't get there because this frame's in the way. But this is what this is for right here. So you would pull this pin out, the battery drops down, as you can see. Now I can put my cable in here, all the way in, okay? And then I will bring that back up. The pin will settle. Now my cable's plugged in. And now we have power. So if you look at the control right here, we have our lights on, and now you can see the scooter's going forward and reverse. So let me recap. To take it out of the box, pretty darn easy. Take the cover off of here, the protection cover, take the cover off the seat, and you will have to make sure the power is on the red button here. Put your key in, pull the pin out of here, that will drop the battery pack and plug the power in the battery pack, okay? So just make sure when you get it, that's what you have to do. This is probably going to be very helpful. This is the Enhanced Mobility Triaxe Cruze scooter demonstration. This is offered by Marc's Mobility. Give us a call. This is a really nice, lightweight scooter.
Hi, I'm Marc.
And my name is Alex.
We are a family-owned business for over 25 years.
We have many products available, not just what you see in this video. If you would like to learn more, you can call the number below at 800-677-6293, or you can visit us directly at www.marcsmobility.com.